guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be opening this package, and this video is gonna be about miniature animals. So I guess they look very beautiful, so let's start to unbox. Wow, there are so many. Let's see what are those. So let's keep this side so that we can keep everything here. A little bit here so that you can see it. So what are we gonna do first? Yes, oops. Here's a pig. This has a dark colored t-shirt. There's one cute pig. There's one. And there's another pig having a green color t-shirt. Let's keep it like this. No, let's. Another pig having a sky blue color t-shirt. It's very cute. And there is one more pig having a red color t-shirt. And there is another pig having a peach color t-shirt. And there is a last pig, a baby pig, having a violet color t-shirt. So there's a purple one, there's a dark pink one, a green one, a blue, a red, and there's a peach color one. So they are not fitting in my hand. Yes, so they look cute. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pigs. So let's keep it down. Yes. So here is a rooster. It is standing on a grass and it has a tail. Do you know the color of the tail? Yes, it's black. And there is an adult hen having a baby hen. Do you know what is a baby hen called? Yes, it's called a chick. It looks so cute. And here is another chick. This is white color. So let's keep it here. And this is a yellow chick. It's flapping its wings. And there is another chick of the same kind. This is sleeping and flapping its wings. And there is another chick of that same. And this is also flapping its wings. These all are yellow color. And there's an owl. It is standing on a tree. The owl is shaking its head. Yes, the owl is not shaking its head. I'm shaking its head. Because there's a rod, like if you push it this way, it turns its head that. And if you push it this way, it turns in that way. And I don't know what to take it out. Everything is so cute. I'll take this one. This is a white swan. And this is a pink swan. And do you know, if you cross each other's swan, it makes a heart. So let's keep it. No, we'll keep it like this better. Yeah. Now, yes. This is a cute bird. Like it has a wing of combination of blue and yellow. So if you mix blue and yellow, it becomes green. So it's a little greenish, blue and yellow in the feathers, and there is a yellow color in the back also, and the tail is a turquoise blue, and it has a beak and 2 eyes. So let's keep it. And here is a cute little cat. I don't know if it's a cat or a dog, but whatever is it, it looks so cute. It has a tail, so let's keep it down. But it's most similar of a dog. So here is a dog. I can identify this as a dog. So it has 2 ears, it has a cute little face, and it has a tail. Oops, I dropped it. And this is the mother of this dog. This also looks so cute, and it has a bow. Here. Let's keep it here. And there is another dog. This is technically not a bow. It has a ribbon tied around its neck. It has 2 ears wide open, and it has a tail. So let's keep it. So far it's like a pig is on the one side, the hens are on one side, like the chicks, the dogs. So let's see how it goes further. And here is a rabbit. It has 2 long ears, cute little face, and it has a small tail. And here is a parrot. But where are the wings? Oh, it's here. So let's put the red wing first, and then the second wing. Yes, now it looks like a parrot. So let's keep it. No, I'll keep it like this. And here is a brown deer. It has white spots on its body, and it has 2 horns. This is a white cheetah, and it has pink spots. Do you ever see a cheetah with pink spots? I don't think so. Maybe it's just a doll, so they paint it pink. But it looks cute. And this is a lion. Do you know who is the king of the forest? Yes, it's the lion. And the lion roars. Roar! That was like a lion. So let's keep it here. And there's a toy dragon. Do you know that the dragons exist? No, they don't. It's just the stories. And if they do exist, they are our friends. It has 2 purple wings of dark purple, and it has a cute nose, and it has a tail of lavender. And of the last, there is a lamb. It's brown color. So these all look so beautiful. Let's give a big thumbs to them.